watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As spring approaches, it's time to refresh your home with farmhouse-inspired decor. Embrace the rustic charm and simplicity of farmhouse aesthetics with these creative ideas for a fresh look. From welcoming front porches to serene bedrooms, discover how to create a cozy yet elegant ambience that celebrates the essence of the season. Floral fantasies in a creative space. Inspire creativity in your home office with colorful flower illustrations on a large canvas. Fresh farmhouse dining. Mix rustic and modern with a wooden bench and potted olive tree, adding organic texture to your dining space. Bucolic charm in the bathroom. Turn your bathroom into a bucolic oasis with terracotta pots of fresh herbs and a freestanding porcelain basin. Stacks of charm. Display vintage books in a wire basket, creating a centerpiece that tells the story of your farmhouse living. Countryside elegance in the kitchen. Transform your kitchen into a countryside retreat with a potted lemon tree and earthenware collection, seamlessly blending modern and rustic farmhouse elements. The essence of spring on the mantle. Elevate your living room with wooden breadboards and soft-hued blooms on the mantle. Classic white pictures add simple sophistication. Cow portrait for a farmhouse foyer. Welcome guests with a warm entrance featuring a large cow portrait and farmhouse decor elements. Rustic vistas for a touch of the pastoral. Bring the countryside indoors with a landscape painting, rustic stool, and a lone cactus in a quiet corner. Delicate touches for a farmhouse spring. Introduce delicate textures with ceramic pots filled with dried flowers and eucalyptus, adding subtle charm to your home. Still life charm in the living room. Create a serene living room scene with a vintage chair, rustic pitcher, and sprig of berries. Minimalist flora for a serene space. Opt for framed botanical prints to create a serene living room ambience, focusing on simplicity and elegance. A nook for nature's beauty. Embrace farmhouse charm with a galvanized bucket turned side table, adorned with dried blossoms and a captivating book. Welcoming spring with practical elegance. Elevate your mudroom with a rustic bench, coat rack, and storage baskets, offering functional elegance. A rustic welcome with greenery and vintage accents. Welcome spring at the doorstep with potted tulips and weathered gardening tools for a pastoral touch. Dollar Tree finds blend budget-friendly chic with countryside charm. Bathroom blossoms. Mirror the season's growth with a woven basket filled with soft towels or floral arrangements, enhancing your bathroom's charm. Wildlife whimsy in the dining room. Celebrate wildlife with a striking turkey portrait and an antique urn, adding character to your dining space. A serene spring bedroom retreat. Create a serene sanctuary with botanical art and a vintage distressed dresser in sage green, offering both style and functionality. A scaled-down spring in the kitchen. Add farmhouse charm to your kitchen with a vintage scale holding a potted succulent and wooden utensils. Bountiful blooms in the entryway. Make a grand entrance with a vintage white trough brimming with copper watering cans and white blooms. As you infuse your home with the warmth of farmhouse decor this spring, may each corner tell a story of renewal and tranquility. Let the essence of rustic elegance inspire you to welcome the season with open arms.